HoneyBook Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of the HoneyBook Booking Platform. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below, so make sure to check them out for more details. HoneyBook is an all-in-one client management and booking platform tailored for small business owners, freelancers, and creative professionals. It's designed to streamline your workflow by combining scheduling, client communication, and project management into a single, easy-to-use solution. One of HoneyBook's standout features is its ability to manage the entire client journey. From initial inquiry to final payment, the platform offers tools for creating custom booking pages, sending proposals, and even automating contracts and invoices. This makes it ideal for service-based businesses like photographers, event planners, designers, and consultants. The scheduling feature integrates seamlessly into the platform, allowing clients to book appointments or consultations directly from your personalized booking page. It syncs with popular calendars like Google Calendar, ensuring your availability is always up to date. You can also set up buffers between meetings and customize time slots to suit your workflow. HoneyBook's branding tools are highly customizable, allowing you to create a professional and cohesive experience for your clients. You can design branded documents, invoices, and email templates that match your business identity, leaving a lasting impression. Another powerful feature is its automation. HoneyBook lets you set up workflows to handle repetitive tasks like sending reminders, follow-ups, or onboarding emails. This saves you time and helps ensure a consistent client experience. Payment processing is built right into the platform, with integrations for major gateways like Stripe. Clients can pay invoices securely online, and you can even set up payment schedules for larger projects. HoneyBook also tracks payment statuses, making financial management simple and transparent. While HoneyBook offers an impressive range of features, it's most beneficial for small businesses and solopreneurs. Larger organizations with complex workflows may find its capabilities somewhat limited. Overall, HoneyBook is a fantastic choice for professionals seeking an all-in-one platform to manage bookings, projects, and client relationships. For more information, check out the links in the description and let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below.